The first question was, what are two features of device that make it more portable? That is small size and lightweight. So what are two ways in which devices can be connected? So you have given right answer. Wired connection, USB, HDMI, even you can give the example, okay? Then wireless connection, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC.
Yes.
So what is biometric device and what kind of feature is it an example of? So if you know that, you can write on Zoom chat.
Um, the answer said, I did not check.
So it says a device that uses biological data such as fingerprint or facial link as a password, example of security feature. Okay. What is microprocessor and what is its role in an embedded system? No, you should not say like that. First, you have to tell regarding this technical, like a
Okay, it's
small
not
version of processor that process data and instruction and enable
okay.
the
I should
embedded
not
system.
say.
Yeah, because it is related to embedded system. To enable the embed, you have to give answer in the context of embedded system. Okay, to enable the embedded
Okay,
system to
okay,
perform its limited or dedicated function.
okay,
So answer must be relevant to question. Okay,
okay.
how can
I don't know of this.
now see this one?
Um, I forget of this. Wait, wait.
No idea.
It, it is, no, sir.
Now here is
To
given
protect data.
by storing data across multiple drives. So it allows simultaneous reading or writing of data, which improves speed and reliability.
Okay, okay,
Got it?
yes.
So did you go through? I have sent you this the whole material. So what are the two example of system software? Can you write on Zoom chat?
Okay, uh, Chat it. OS means operating system.
Operating system and antivirus. Yeah, utility software is also. But you should give the two
Okay,
examples
and
of system software. Antivirus example of utility software. Okay.
okay.
So what is this? What are two examples of everything software? Write on Zoom chat.
And word processing software like MS Word.
No, you should not say MS Word. Word processor. Should not give particular name, company name. Okay. You can write generic name
Oh,
word processor video editing software. Okay.
well, it's not
No, you should
browser.
not say MS Word. Okay. MS Word is a company name. Microsoft is a company name. Okay. You should not
Okay.
say any company name. You can write generic name like word processor is a generic name because many company makes word processor, not only Microsoft.
Sir,
Video,
web browser is not here. Web browser.
yes, web browser. You can write web browser.
Okay.
So what you have written? Web browser. Again, you did software. No. Okay, only you have written only one. Okay, you have given only one example.
Yeah.
What is creative common? Common. Creative common.
It's a system of special license that created to share the words without any problem.
Okay.
It's
And
like lessons.
now see here, an organization that provide license allowing people to use, share, or modify software under specific copyright term. This is called Creative Commons.
Okay.
Okay. What is institutional software license?
Um, it's a license that allows all organization to use a single piece like on many computer like a school, college, company like single software like everyone can use.
Okay, you can define like that a license that allow all computer within an organization to use the software, usually with a fee based on number of users.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
What is software patch? Write on Zoom chat.
Okay. Sir, I did check.
So here you can see a quick fix update release to correct error, fix security vulnerabilities, or improve functionality of the software.
Okay.
The small update by developer to fix problem, to fix bugs, to improve security. Okay, they are right. Now see this one. A laptop uses firmware. State the purpose of firmware. You know that? Write on Zoom chat.
Okay. It's to control basic of hardware device. It's adds like built-in software
Write
that
on.
tells device.
Write on.
Okay. Okay, I will write. That's it.
Okay, see this one. Firmware is a software stored permanently. Permanent software stored only in a device that provide low level control for the device hardware. So that is called. So what you have written?
Okay.
Yeah, attack as a built-in software tell device how to shut, start, run.
With other.
No, you do not. You do not need to write this. You should write basic purpose. Firmware is
Okay, so
software stored permanently in a device that provide low level control for the device hardware. Okay.
okay, sir.
Give one example of an item that is present in firmware.
Example.
So any idea?
Example: phone, firmware, router, printer, TV.
So one
Oh,
example is the BIOS, basic input output.
okay.
Go through this one.
So we're right in chat. It's B.
So what do you select?
B.
B, USB cable. Okay, right. Now see this in a computer uses system software and admin software. Explain the difference between system software and admin software.
Okay, I will get in chat.
Okay, done. So your written system software is to control and manage your computer hardware and provide a platform for other software to run apply software, help user problem, task. Okay. So, okay. You can write like that. System software manage and control computer hardware and allow the user computer to run. And software allow the user to perform special tasks such as creating document or process. Okay, you are right. Okay.
Okay. And
Now see this one. The computer has an operating system. One role of operating system is to manage user. Give two ways an operating system manage user. Write on Zoom chat.
okay. I only know one thing.
So it allows user to create and manage individual account, provide a user interface, graphical interface with Windows. Okay. So what you have written? Authentication. You have to elaborate also. Okay. Whatever you are writing,
Okay.
small elaborate.
Okay, sir.
See this one. Okay. Have you written?
Yes.
So it says managing devices, example, controlling peripheral like printer and keyboard. And you have written operating control the hardware devices, that is printer. Okay. See this one? Write on Zoom chat.
Oh, Answer. Answer.
Okay. Now see here, plain what is meant by proprietary software. So proprietary software is software where the source code is not made available to the public. So users are not allowed to study, modify, or redistribute the code, and it is owned and controlled by the developer. So you have written like that.
Okay.
You have written software that is owned and controlled and
Yeah.
closed source under developer license. Somehow it is right, but you should like this. Okay, you should give these features.
Okay.
Okay, write about this one on Zoom chat.
Sir, how many questions left?
Very few.
Okay. You are testing on me that I know or no.
Yes, you should read the material. Okay.
This will come in exams like same exact same question.
No. Now see here, an institutional license allows the finance organization to install and use the software on all computers within the organization. The cost is usually based on the number of users in the organization.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now see this one. Try to do this one.
This question stuff.
So can you calculate?
I will try. answer should be 12 KB.
Can you write on the chat? Okay, right. Now see this one.
Solution data is not allowed.
Yes, calculate not allowed.
Okay.
You should do this question at the end.
Okay. If I did not solve it in time because it's way difficult to multiply without data.
So should I show you?
I know formula like 12 12,288 multiply 8 calculating manual.
No, you have basically bytes. So multiply by 8. So it will be
Yes.
converted into 8 bits. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Okay. So when you multiply by 8, it convert into bits. Now got the idea?
What?
It says 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Okay.
Yes.
So already you have calculated this one. This is byte. So if you multiply by 8, you will get number of bits.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Now see this one. Try to do that.
So I cannot solve it.
Okay, see here. Construct an expression to calculate transfer time. So 30 GB byte must first be converted to bits. So 1024 megabyte, 1024 KB byte, 1024 byte, and 8 bits. The connection is 10 megabits per second. So 1000 kilobytes, 1000 megabits.
So where's 10?
This is 10. This is equal to 1. And these are all equal to 1. Then multiply 30.
Okay, I have to
Got that?
practice this one.
Yeah.
Yes, got it.
Got it? This chapter is finished.
So
Now,
which chapter we will go now?
chapter 2,
Networks.
networks. Yes.
Okay.
Wait. You should go through this chapter again, okay? See
Okay.
all activities.
Okay, sir. We do in another class or today?
Just today, just 1 minute, wait. It is visible.
Yes.
Now see the definition of network. A network is simply two or more devices that have been connected to each other. Okay.
Okay.
Network components. Network can contain a range of, so there are many different components which makes up the network. So a network can contain a range of different network components with each having a defined role in the network. Table 2.1 shows some of these components. So one of the first component is network interface card. Have you seen before this one?
No.
Basically, each computer has LAN card. We also call it LAN card. So this is a circuit where cable connect, where cable inserted. So which receive data from cable and which put data on cable. A network interface card is the essential hardware component that allow a device to connect to a network. So it is typically a circuit board built into the device. A basic NIC enable a device to connect via wired connection, usually Ethernet. A wireless NIC allow a device to connect via wireless connection such as Wi-Fi. Okay.
Okay.
Our next one is uh, hub. Hub basically is a central device which connect multiple computers. basic device to connect multiple devices in a LAN, receive data packet and forward them to all connected devices. Basically, hub, the central device, connect other computer each other. When one computer send data to other computer, it receive, first it goes to hub and hub transmit to every computer. It flood the data, broadcast. Only the intended device accept the data, other ignore it. Every device will receive but copy, only that device will copy which is address match. Device connect using a wired connection, Ethernet or USB, causes unnecessary network traffic, leading to data collision, error, and reduced performance. This is the drawback of a hub. Okay. Next one is switch. You must have seen switch. This is the
Sir, can you
advanced.
go ESP pictures?
This one?
Yes, yes. Is a setting part or for is NIC then hub?
No, NIC is built into system CPU. Okay. This is NIC.
Okay,
Where cable inserted.
okay,
You must have seen in laptop this connection. You can connect through laptop, cable with laptop. Okay.
okay,
The cable inserted here.
okay, sir.
This is hub. This is a central device through which every computer connect with each other. Okay. When we want to connect multiple computer with each other, we need to have a central device. Basically, it was called hub. Okay. Now switch. This is the advanced version of hub. Hub. The purpose of hub and switch are same, but switch is more efficient. Instead, developed to improve the inefficiency of hub, because hub transmit data to every device. Connect multiple device in a LAN, so it makes a LAN. Send data packet only to the intended device instead of all devices. Uses a device MAC address to identify the destination. So LAN card has MAC address. Okay, LAN card has MAC address, which is basically address of computer. So maintain a table of MAC address of connected devices. Reduces network traffic and data collision, so improving overall network performance. Okay.
Okay,
Then we have router and modem. You have router at home, TP-Link router,
yes, Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi to distribute internet. Okay. So, but this router exists at ISP, Internet Service Provider Company, which basically send data to other computer. Forward data packet between device in a network. Uses the routing table and destination IP address to determine the best route. So it works on IP address. Computer has two address, physical and logical. Physical address means MAC address, logical address means IP address. So ensure data reaches the correct device efficiently.
Okay,
So it find out the best route to transmit data. Okay. Modem. Initially, internet came. We were using it at the time, but right now it is not used by at home. It is used by service provider, short for modulator, demodulator. Because there are two types of signal. One is analog. Our data moves on cable or telephone network in this form. When it received by computer, it should be passed on ADC, so analog to digital converter. So that is why. So modulation means analog to digital conversion. It convert into
okay,
digital form. And demodulation means analog, digital to analog. So it says
okay,
convert analog signal to digital and vice versa. Example, convert analog signal from telephone wire into digital signal for devices built into modem devices, modern devices that connect to the internet.
Okay.
Okay. Gateway. When we want to use two different networks to work together, we need to have gateway. Connect one LAN to another LAN or LAN to WAN. To handle situation where network use different protocols, different hardware, different software, then we need to have gateway. Act as a translator, converting data from one protocol to another. So allow network with different communication channels to communicate effectively. Okay.
Okay.
Network component, another is net bridge. It makes two LAN into single LAN. Connect one LAN to another to form a larger LAN, example across university building. Works similarly to a switch by reading the MAC address of devices. Forward data packet to the appropriate connected LAN if the destination is outside the local LAN. So it helps expand network coverage while controlling traffic. So if you want to expand your LAN, you need to have bridge.
Okay.
To make multiple LAN into a single LAN. Then repeater. Repeater basically refresh the signal because signal over distance become weak. It says electrical signal weaken as they travel across a network due to interference. A
So I
repeater,
have seen some like small
okay,
Wi-Fi
yeah,
device.
yeah. Every switch perform repeating function. Okay, every switch, but in telephone network it is installed separately. A repeater boosts the strength of weakened signal, can reconstruct distorted signal to ensure data reaches its destination, extend the distance a signal can travel across the network. Okay,
Oh,
so enough for today.
okay, sir.
See you tomorrow.
Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.